I'm playing for keeps. The quicker you get it, the quicker you leave. And I've been working like 10 days a week. Never got time to be spending asleep. I've been dreaming up with my eyes open. That 3-1 lead, but I'm not choking. They all capped like caps lock. This the anthem, take your hats off. Not concerned about trash talk. I'm counting down to that blast off. Like whoa, I'm ready to go. Don't give advice, you ain't done.
Stop using the gym weights to hold your phone. I just got this new bottle and oh my gosh, it blew my mind. Look how awesome it holds my phone.
Wake up, filthy.
Top Holland, I took the walk. Top Holland.
Trapping on motherfucking B-roll. I was just crazy. Niggas in love with the Niggas in love with the
If you're a gym rat, you need one of these. Take your protein on the go. Funnels into any bottle, no more spillage. I wanted to get veins like this.
TikTok made me buy it.
Best dress. Next thing, upgrade, who's next? Rich boy, got him on deck. Good boy, tell a nigga fetch. I put my new man on a leash. Traded in my old nigga, he was just a
TikTok find.
TikTok made me buy this. It's a little ugly keychain that helps me store my supplements and bring them to the gym with me. Now I can get high on supplements wherever I go. Perfect, actually.
Let's try the finger stretcher. Level 1 easy but so cool. Level 2 it feels great, but we can do better. Level 3, now there is a challenge. I love it.
Let me guys show you what I do if I can't go to the gym or if I'm on vacation. I have this thing called crossbar, which consists of resistance bands, 2 little bars and a little docking station. You can connect the bars to each other to make a bigger bar, or leave them as they are. Afterwards you just connect the resistance band on both sides. If you want to, you can connect multiple bands to add more resistance. And that's it actually, so let me guys show you what I do with this.
TikTok made me buy it. It's a gyro ball that makes your forearms bigger and stronger. It produces a force up to 61 kilograms. And you can use it anywhere. Takes forearm training to the next level.